Make money charging scooters? Well, if that's something you're more interested about, then stay tuned with this video because I'm going to explain exactly how you can make money charging scooters.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about how to earn $50 per hour charging electric scooters. Yes, you heard that right. This can be done in metropolitan areas, preferably with people with cars so they can pick up these scooters. But before we get into this, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing. I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get more freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss any other videos like this. And if you have any comments, let me know what you like you don't like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. If you have any questions about today's content, post it below and I will reply. All right, guys, if you are more interested in a passive income, then go down to the link below, the #1 recommended make money online method, and click the link and I'll send you some more information about that. All right, guys, let's get on with today's show. We're going to be talking about how to make money charging electric scooters, and this can be very profitable. You can make up to $50 an hour. Most people that are doing this, they make up to like $200 a day just doing this. All right, so they may gather these things, then charge them at night, and then you get paid. So let's go see the sites that I'm talking about. The first one is bird.co, and Bird is one of the companies that does the scooter shares. So what they're doing is they're sharing these scooters, and then all you do is you download this app. All right, you download the app on your phone, and you look where all these scooters are. They're going to tell you which ones need charged, and you just go around and pick them up. And when you pick it up, you take it home, you charge it, and then you drop it off at its location, and you get paid right then and there. So both these companies pay you by the day, which is pretty cool. All right, so how does this work? You sign up to be a charger, right? But how does it work? I mean, these things are pretty cool. You find an unlock, you go to your, this is how somebody renting these things finds this, all right? So you can download the app, you find a spot where you can get it, you take it, you put it back, all right? So how does the charger work? We're going to log into this. So the charger is pretty cool, and the charger, this calls it the Bird Charger community. So all you're doing is collecting and getting paid daily. So what you're going to do is you're going to join. You're going to fill out this little set of information. You're going to join. You're going to find, charge, and release the birds back in. All right? And the birds are the scooters. And then you get paid daily for whatever you did the night before. All right? So you collect 10 scooters. Each scooter pays you $8-10, $20. I don't know how much they are, but I don't know I don't do this, so I don't know exactly how you get paid, but you get paid. All right, so you can look online, very good reviews with both these companies. And again, I'm in the Washington D.C. area, so they have these scooters all over the fucking place, and very easy to make money with this. The next company is called Lime, and this is another scooter sharing company. Lots of places, mostly metropolitan places. I mean, all these, both these companies are about in the same cities. You can see here, they're in all these cities here. All right, so if you're in any of these cities, this is very good opportunity for you to make money if you don't have a job or if you're looking to make some extra income. All right. So the programs, I mean, you want to join as a charge scooter. All right, so come over here, join us, go to charger. And what does a juicer do? A juicer is a charger, right? So you collect low battery Lime scooters, you charge them overnight, and you get paid right away. So both these companies they pay you the next day after you charge and deploy the scooters. All right. So run over to these two sites, get signed up, and go start collecting scooters. And now, of course, if you have a truck or a van, you can start gathering all kinds of scooters. But as long as you have a car, you can throw these things in the back of the car and start getting paid for charging scooters. Now, each of these companies are going to give you some chargers. I think they give you 2 chargers. Each of them give you 2 chargers, so you can charge 2 scooters at a time. Now, once you start getting paid, and if you see that this is actually a money-making thing, you can go out and buy a couple more chargers so you can charge multiple up at night, so you just have to plug them in once and then go. All right. So this is limebike.com, and the other one was bird.co. All right. So guys, again, hopefully you got some value out of this, and hopefully you'll take this and go make some money. If you're more interested in a passive income that you can earn $100 to $300 every single day, then click the link down below, my #1 recommended make money online method, and I'll send you some information. All right, guys. So again, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, give me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and if you have any questions about this content, post it down below. All right, guys, peace out, and I hope you have a great day.